Hello everyone, this is Sumit here. Welcome to Open Source Technical Blog. So today we are going to see how to get the middle number of a linked list. So let me explain how we can do this. We can achieve this using two pointer, which is a fast and slow pointer. So let's say in our list we have inserted 5 element, and in list we have had the first node we call the head and the last node we call the tail. So tail part is always pointing to the null. So this one is the fifth, this node, and this is the head node. So first the slow pointer will move one step at a time, and the fast pointer will move two steps at a time. So both pointer is initially pointing to the first node, then it will slow pointer will move one step at a time, and fast pointer will move two steps. So from here, two step is 3. This is for fast pointer, as you can see, and for one step this is for 2. This is, you can see. Then again we can do the same steps until we reach the last node. So again from here, two step is the fifth, this node. The fast pointer is right now pointing to this node, and from this one node, one step, that is fourth. Okay, slow pointer is here. So from here, one step, that is 3 in this case. So once fast pointer is reached to the last, or you can say fast pointer dot next equal to null, as there is no other node or element in the linked list. So in that time we need to get this particular node data. So this is the middle element of the linked list. So let's create a simple program. So in my earlier blog I created a program where we created a linked list using Java. If you not watched that, please watch it. So let's do that. So basically we need to create the node, and we need to create a method where we can insert the data to the linked list, and we need to create a method where we can print the list data, and we will create a method where we can print the middle element only. So let's do that. So I created a class called node having this data member data, and this is a of node type, which is next. Then we'll create a constructor. So I'm not going to explain these things because I've already covered in another blog. So yes, we'll focus on another part of that. So let me create a method where you can push the data to linked list. So in this method we are going to push the data to the new node, and from this dot node, like I'm in this line new node dot next, I'm assigning to the head. So initially head will be the null. Then this particular node, let's say we have inserted from starting point 6. So this 6 of the node, then dot next means from this particular node, the next element will be this header. Then again what we are doing, we are assigning this particular node to the head. So right now head become whatever the element we have inserted. So I'll explain it more in later in the program. So let's create a method where we can print the list. So here we are just printing the data, just we are iterating if the head node is not null, then we are printing the data of the node, then we are again assigning the next node to this particular n variable. Then we need to add a method where we can print the middle node. Print middle number. So as we have discussed, we need to use two pointer. One is fast, another one is slow pointer. So let's declare this two. So both will be the initially in the head position, which is the first node. Then this particular head is not null, then we are explicitly adding one condition over here. This particular fast pointer is not null and fast pointer dot next is not null. Because why we are checking this? Because fast pointer will move two steps at a time. Okay, so if fast pointer is null itself, then we will get null pointer exception if you try to iterate fast pointer dot next. So if you are thinking why you are not checking for slow pointer, because we are assigning slow pointer, like both will be initially assigned to head. So initially we have checked head is not null, then slow pointer is also not null. So we are not explicitly assigning checking over here. Then slow pointer to slow pointer dot data. So when the fast pointer is dot next is pointing to null, at that time slow pointer is pointing to the middle element of the linked list. So at that time we need to get the data of the slow pointer. So this is done. So then we need to create a main method where you can utilize this method to get the middle number. So we're done with our program. So basically I'm going to insert the five data or five records to our list. So let's run that. Yes, so middle number is 3. You can see we have inserted over here also 5 record 1 2 3 4 5, and the last middle number is 3. You can get it over here. Okay, because you can see over here from also. So let me explain how it is working. So initially there is no data in our list, so just we have inserted the 5. Okay, so let me change something. To yes, so initially there is no element, just we have inserted 5. So middle number is also 5. So then we have inserted another number which is 4. So in this line you can see the push method. So there is first element is 5 we have inserted, so there is middle element also 5. In the 5, if you initially we have inserted 5, then head is also null, head is null initially. So this particular node dot next equal to null, then we are assigning head equal to this particular node which is 5. Then we inserted the 4, then 4 is there, then head is right now 5. So this particular fourth node means where you inserted 4 as a data dot next equal to head. So this particular node contain data is 4 and head is right now 5. Then again we assign head to new node which is 4. Right now head is 4. You can see this is 4. So forth and so on. Like then we'll assign 3, then 2. So this way we have inserted the data, and last we got the middle number as 3. If I change something, let's say I want to insert 6. So in this case I will get a middle number as 4. Let's rerun. Yes, you can see the middle number is 4. So this is how we can create a linked list program to get a middle number from the linked list. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.